You will definitely enjoy touring inside the National Museum in Daraga Albay. With the nice view of Mount Mayon and the nearby Cagsawa ruins, our own versions of National Museum for Natural History. This is the National Museum Bicol in Daraga Albay. The highlights is the rich geology and biodiversity of the Bicolandia. The National Museum Bicol is the only branch with indoor and outdoor exhibition. Touring inside the indoor museum will know how rich the geology and biodiversity of the Bicol region.
Philippine mountain was categorized into three. Meron tayo tinatawag na inactive, potentially active, saka yung active. No?
Geology exhibit galleries from mantle to surface, volcanic rock, and how volcano forms, and the region of volcanoes. The biodiversity exhibit inside the National Museum Bicol, you will see how rich is the flora, fauna, land, and water of the Bicol region.
Open the door before you enter and exit the butterfly garden. Maximum time inside the butterfly, walk slowly because some of the butterflies are resting on the ground. And please do not pick them even if they are dead. Then after seeing your
Butterfly man. The outdoor exhibit, you can explore the butterfly garden with complete metamorphosis of the butterflies from egg, larva, pupa, caterpillar to adult. Another outdoor exhibit is the Botanical Garden, where you can see the famous plant in the Bicol region, the cacao, pili, abaca, gabi, and sili. Thank you for watching. This is Bicol Tour Guide. Don't forget to visit National Museum Bicol in Daraga Albay. Once again, Diyos mabalo sa Induga Boss.